Hello, I'm Suzanne MacDonald from Boatshed Medway. Today I'm going to show you on board a lovely Moody 336. I have to say she's an excellent example, and you'll be able to see a lot of still photographs on the website boatshedmedway.com. So let's have a little wander below decks and see what we can see. The first thing that struck me about this yacht is the condition of the wood, from the floors to the stowage areas and galley, etc. Got a superb luster. You can actually see how well looked after this boat has been. There's not dinks everywhere and very little sign of wear and tear given the vessel's age. So we're going to start on the starboard side, and here we have the heads, which is a decent size even by American standards. We have a wash hand basin here and a dedicated shower cubicle with a shower curtain and drain. There's stowage underneath the wash hand basin as well, and windows to provide natural ventilation and light. Moving forward, we come to the all-important nav station, which is a decent size, so you can get your traditional charts on there, which is complemented with the modern navigational gear. The navigational gear you can look up the information on our website, which is boatshedkent.com. Lovely Moody electrics panel there, and not least of all important is that lovely Lloyd's registry badge, which not many yachts can boast that they have in this day and age. So the navigational table also has storage underneath, which is pretty much normal. Here we have the saloon, very good size saloon. Note to port side, this converts to a double, which you will see from the still shots. Upholstery looks in excellent condition. Again, so does the woodwork. You have storage behind and underneath the saloon area. Beautiful table that opens out. You can see this yacht is ideal for those of you that like to socialise. It should actually make a fantastic liveaboard. Now we're looking aft. Let's see how roomy she is. We're looking on the port side now at the galley. Storage under. That's a little well with a fitted bin. We have got a double sink here, which is a lovely touch with a mixer tap. Very good size fridge with a freezer compartment in it. Storage behind, storage above and below. And here we have a Neptune gimbaled 2-burner cooker, which has a grill as well as an oven, so you can cook a decent meal and have some decent toast. Now we're going to have a look in the aft cabin.